Hey everybody, it's Adam from UTV Rides. Finally going to get to our video of installing the Kemimoto 6-speaker soundbar. It took a little bit of doing because the bars in the Can-Amex are a little bit different, so I've got some solutions that I'm going to show you here later in the video so that you can get yours mounted up so you can enjoy some music while you're on the trail. Kind of interesting. Did the wiring, just how they sent the wiring, but I may end up changing that later on. So sit back, relax, and then if you decide you want to get yourself one, there'll be a link down in the description, and you'll be able to just click and go and order it and get your own. So it works pretty good on any UTVs that have straight crossbars. The mounts that it come with are good. The problem is on the X3, where I wanted to mount it, it seems to be, I mounted mine on a 4-seat in between the front and back seats because we almost never have anybody in the back. But on the 2-seaters, I see people mount them in the back, but the crossbars that are best to mount it to are headed front to back, and the mounts that it comes with aren't set up for that. So I've got mounts that I ordered, and I'll show you those right here in the video, that you can order from Amazon. And I'll show you how I mounted. There's probably other types of mounts that you can get to make it work, but this is what I did. Then I just ended up having to modify it just slightly, and I didn't have to do anything to the soundbar or the little clips that mount the soundbar to the brackets that I bought, but I did have to put a little shim in the hole of the bracket, and I'll show you that. I'll take a picture and I'll put that here in the video so you can kind of see what I did. I believe they were 1/4-inch shims that I did, and then I bought slightly longer bolts so that everything would work with the new mounts and the soundbar. It's solid, it's in there, it sounds great, and so go from there. Okay everybody, it's Adam from UTV Rides. We are going to be testing out this Kemimoto 6-speaker UTV, or whatever vehicle you want to put it in, 6-speaker soundbar. It's supposed to sound amazing. It's yet to be seen. So we're going to get it mounted up. I'm going to just plug it in. I'm probably not going to hardwire it now. I'm just going to use their short wire that just goes into the lighter outlet. See how this thing sounds. Let you know if it's something you should purchase. I may have gotten some dirt on this. Don't tell Kemimoto. So I'm supposed to put the nut in the slider. And put the slider, son of a gun. Okay, these sliders, people, are a very tight frickin' fit. Okay, I gave them a little bit of love with the old mallet. So I got this Kemimoto soundbar. It's a 6-speaker soundbar from Kemimoto, but I had to rig it up with some different mounts that I'll show you right here. I had to order these off of Amazon, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty dang good. So I got it mounted up. I just gotta wire it up now. I'll show you where I got those mounts if it's something that you're interested in. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this other kind of how-to install video, this review of this Kemimoto 6-speaker light bar. If you liked it, click the like button down below, hit subscribe. We do a lot of fun rides where we go out and we actually aren't just installing stuff in the garage, and we're showing trails mostly around Utah because that's where I'm based, and has super fun. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those, and catch you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.